Good morning, crypto land. Hope all is well today for you. Okay, last video I left off talking about how I called this coming out of that bearish structure. Let's not talk about that. And then I was up here wandering around, and I had drawn in a probably a bearish channel that would come and break down. It actually turned into a descending triangle. This is time-sensitive stuff, so that's my main difficulty at this point, is how to get videos out before this stuff happens. So I just woke up a little while ago. I saw this descending triangle forming. It turned out to not to be an ascending channel would be a bearish structure. It turned out to be a descending triangle, which is also a bearish structure. They tend to break to the bottom, particularly when they're coming from a downtrend. And there it is. Now what's happening? What's going to happen here, folks, is I've already drawn in a parallel channel. It's not there yet. I drew this in about 15 minutes ago. This guy here probably shouldn't be there yet. This is the kind of stuff that should be very interesting to people watching. I'm calling this before it happens, and I'm getting really good at it. This parallel channel here isn't really there yet. It is kind of there now, but 15 minutes ago it wasn't. I've just been watching this long enough to just see this stuff coming. That descending triangle, the white one, is going to morph into this descending parallel channel, which in time, this descending parallel channel should pop up at some time later today. I took advantage of the breakout here of this descending triangle right here. This red line is where my position is. It's a short. This blue line is where I placed my stop loss order. This green line here is where I have my profit taking going here. That line there. Let's highlight this. Here's the stop loss up here. This is my position. Where's that? And I can move my stop loss down now. I can take my stop loss order, folks, now and see how I'm moving it. I can move it all the way down here to a little bit above, maybe the bottom of the triangle where I'm in just a little profit. I can put it, say, there. See how it moved? And so now, no matter what, I'm in profit. Profit is locked in after that. But I'm actually just going to remove my stop loss. I don't want to give out bad information. I'm just going to put my stop loss back up here out of the range. And I've become a big friend of stop loss orders. Big friend of stop loss orders. Okay, so now it's rebounding. It's rebounding a bit, but I'm watching for it to come down and touch the bottom of this parallel channel eventually. It will probably range in this channel. It may come back up here. That's why I didn't put my stop loss order down there, because I don't want to take profit, because I see what's going on here. Likely it's going to probably come up to the top of this parallel channel and maybe to the dotted line in the middle. And then it should come down and test the bottom of this parallel channel. The target for this descending triangle is about $300. So that's where I have my green line, my profit line down here, take profit line. It's $300 below. It's about $290 below the bottom of the support line for the triangle. So I do expect it, but it doesn't. They don't just come down here. This is a 5-minute chart. Right? It just doesn't fall down. It's probably going to. Let's get rid of that guy. It's probably going to snake its way down that parallel channel. So later on today, at some point, the parallel channel will be a wonderful trading situation. It will likely pop up. The target for the channel is $333 to about $240 will be the target when it breaks out of the parallel channel. Now, it could go much higher, but that's the target. I can't predict the exact time, although I could probably start zeroing in on it pretty good. But I do expect it to snake down this parallel channel, because technically the parallel channel has not formed yet. It's only got one data point on the bottom. It does have 3 data points on the top. And this is kind of a data point. It came close here. I was expecting it to come down there and the bounce, but I expect this bounce to fail. And it's probably a new lower high. And eventually maybe come up here to the top of the parallel channel, bottom of the parallel channel, yada, yada, blah, 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 boom, pop up later. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Name of the channel is Bitcoin Street. I sure do hope you like this video and subscribe and help me get this traction in the YouTube algorithm, get this message out to folks. I do believe this is going to start getting good.